I'm Dave Dolby. I'm the audio video designer here at Marathon Coach. And today we're going to be talking about Bluetooth source. It's where we want to play from a Bluetooth device back into the audio system. You do need to pair up a phone to play that audio from that Bluetooth device. To pair the device, in the bottom corner settings, we'll bring up this screen with Bluetooth. Okay, and I'll see if it'll connect to my phone. That's the name of my phone right there. That's pretty much the phone connected